How to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Revive AI. So you can see this is the interface. Like you can face animated, greetings card, AI avatar, lip sense. So there are many things here. So for example, also this is trending. Choose your mode: funny, cool, romantic, angry, off, keep up. Wish and cheers, greetings card, a cover. So many epics here. With it depends on your interest. So for example, if you want to animated face, then I'm just tap on the face animation, and it takes few time if you're user, but if you buy the subscription, then it will work fast for you. So okay, greetings card you can see here, birthday celebration card, romantic postcard. So there are a lot of things here. And yeah, avatar, lip scanning. You need to tap for add photos. So I'm just going to tap grant access. So then you can talk here. For a better voice for result, try to record your voice without any background noise. So once you record your voice, and this image will speak for you. You can search here the most popular animation here in this app, and also home. So you can try out, but it's not free. You need to buy the subscription to get the all access. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.